GOT channels. This video offers an introduction to the GOT mobile function. Checking equipment status from a remote location. Monitoring equipment and sharing information on a larger scale. Monitoring errors without going to the shop floor. Checking the video of the production line that stopped due to a machine trouble. GOT mobile function will solve your concerns. Checking equipment status from a remote location. With the GOT mobile function, the status of equipment on the shop floor can be checked via the on-site GOT from a remote location using a web browser on information devices. Up to 5 information devices can simultaneously access a single GOT, allowing for monitoring and operating different screens on each device. With the GOT mobile function, you can remotely monitor the connected factory equipment via the on-site GOT. In addition, by collecting the GOT information from the shop floor on a PC, and showing it on a large monitor, you can easily build an end-on system, and share information without a lot of work. Monitoring equipment and sharing information on a larger scale. GTsoft GOT2000 is an HMI software that allows functions equivalent to GOT2000 to be used on a PC, so you can collect information from shop floor FA equipment and visualize various information. In addition, with the GOT mobile function for GTsoft GOT2000, up to 15 information devices can remotely access GTsoft GOT2000 simultaneously, allowing for remote monitoring and information sharing on large systems. Checking the video of the production line that stopped due to a machine trouble. On a mobile screen, you can easily check live video from the network camera, as well as video and image files saved on the camera. We use the office PC on the right to monitor the GOT on the left remotely. We start a web browser on the PC and open a mobile screen. You can confirm that the same screen as the on-site GOT is displayed. You can monitor using tablets or smartphones just as you can with a PC. When an error occurs on the shop floor, you can display a mobile screen different from the on-site GOT on the office PC and check the details of the alarm. Also, with the interaction function with Pocket GOT, you can quickly notice errors through the vibration function of your smartphone, even if the equipment is located far away. The mobile screen size can be customized to match the intended use and information devices. If designed larger, it can serve as an add-on and facilitate easy information sharing among workers on site. By using the GOT mobile function, the production status can be displayed at places other than the shop floor, so it can be utilized for making the production plan based on the production results, without the need for going to the shop floor. In addition, the mobile screen can comprehensively display the equipment's status and operational conditions, enabling remote monitoring and simplified analysis of equipment operation and management status. Lastly, we will show you how to check the video of the shop floor on your mobile screen. Click on the network camera from the mobile screen to start the network camera's browser. You can remotely access and check the live video or saved video and image files without the need to go to the shop floor. And that concludes our introduction to the GOT mobile function.